The calm before the storm. So we're trading gullies for bluefish, silver cob for dusky cob. Let's see. This man's all on you, Mr. Guide.
Just got the boat. Gonna be off now. Gonna gather with the gang later. How's it, Jeff? Where are we going?
Oh man, we're going to Nqabara.
How's it, folks? Welcome to another episode of Great Kei Fishing. Myself and Jeff has just collected the boat. So we're gonna meet up with Farley, Corlia and Colin, head over to the ponds and head over to Nqabara for 5 days of fishing. And yeah, Dylan and Dominique have gone to East London to pick up Gerhard at the airport, and then we're all gonna meet up, convoy, and yeah, just head the rest of the way. The don't panic mechanic over here.
Oh man.
So just update. Just had to stop and get the boat fixed up. One of the latches snapped off, so Jeff has sorted us out there.
Battery time out. It's gonna sleep at Nqabara.
This is all part of the fun on these trips, right? Important part
That's
of
what we keep saying. We're gonna
everything
we're
goes.
gonna tick all the boxes.
Guys, so we've made it. Farley and myself are heading down with some bears. Yeah, it was a long journey, but we're here. And yeah, just arrived. We're gonna go down for our first throw, and yeah, see what happens. Hopefully the turnout is good. No, it's not a. Oh, the timing. Something small. What is it? Small blacktail. Just gonna have to go for it, eh? Whoa! Are you over me there, Gerhard? I got something, yeah. Oh. Yo, Dylan! I'm on, bro! Gonna take a video here, or you gonna land the fish for me?
I'll let it go.
Thanks, bro. I knew it, bro. I knew I was gonna get one.
Sandy.
Is it a sand shark? Ah. Okay, look. Awesome. Good morning, Farley. Yeah.
Hingle. That's time. Hingle.
Time. All got the coffee. What is the time? It's actually not that.
Isn't it 4:20?
It's not that. It's not horribly early. It's quite early, but.
Oh, I found Josh's cousin. It's our first full day here of a little holiday with the mates. And now we're fishing out on the beach next to the river. And yeah, it's pretty fun. Came across on our little boat. And we've got some live mullets. Gonna send them out. Me and Farley and Gerhard here. we're gonna see what happens. Let's see if we can get tight with some fish. Looks like Jerry's potentially on there. And the beach conditions are not very nice. Super windy. Easterly. Kobe! Nice and easy there, bud. What else would it be?
I don't know.
Gully or hound?
I don't think so. It even quite long.
I saw it bouncing quite a lot, but I think it's a top. Oh, it's a solid pop, bud.
Huh?
It's a solid one.
Yeah. You getting a bite? Hey?
I was. Yo, nice fish. Nice fish, yeah. Fully on like a scone. Dude, that is huge. As you can see, it's quite a substantial little river here, the Nqabara. Can be very dangerous to try and cross it without the right equipment. So yeah, we got a little boat, opens up a whole new part of the situation. Oh guys, so we got this lovely cob here that Gerhard caught today on a live mullet, and good thing he caught it because on our menu for our little trip here tonight we have seafood and chips. You can see we've got some really beautiful meat there all portioned out, more than enough for 8 of us for dinner and 8 of us breakfast. Got about half a cup, 3/4 of a cup flour and an equal amount of maizena. Here we got some spiceful fish, we're going to add some of that in there. Generous little amount there, a little bit of coating. We may be adding in about another half a cup here, or 1/4 of a cup of the coating. We'll mix it up with our whisk. Pass me that beer behind you there. So then you need a cold beer. Must be cold. Add in a big amount. So just mix that beer in.
Not many cold
Colin,
beers. Aye.
you see, poaching the beer can be also an awesome way, yeah?
Backwashes.
It's important to add a bit of backwash. I think we might need to get Jeff to fix the gears on this whisk.
It's like your motor.
Yeah, something like that. So kind of like a pancake batter consistency. And that'll make for a nice light beer batter on our fish. Yeah, so now we're taking our pieces of fish. We're just going to chuck them in it. Centimeter-ish of oil. And key factor is to make sure that that oil is hot, hot, hot.
Now I'm hungry. Here with myself and Farley. Yeah, we're heading out. It's a bit later than what we usually want to be out. It's around 5 o'clock, I think, or almost 5. And yeah, we're coming to the left-hand side from the cottage. Gonna go off the rocks, maybe try for a punsi, depending on what the water looks like. It's our second day, and yeah, hopefully we will be back with some tight lines. Yo, Farley has just gotten a lovely little bluefish over there. Yo, strange, the water's so cold, but yo, they must be hungry. go. Well, do you want to get some better shots there, bro? I think, should I come? I'll go to that side and try and pull it up for you. Gorgeous. Wow.
Yeah, that's a beautiful spot.
Yeah. Whew. Nice one, Gerhard.
Yeah, that's beautiful, eh?
Get it.
I got it. Can get the measure?
Sick.
Thanks, brother.
It's not a blue, it's two today. It's so weird.
Blue fish.
Didn't even know it was on.
Didn't know it was on.
Hey guys, day 3, the Nqabara trip. 2 days down, 2 to go. So yeah, we're halfway, going into the second half, as one might say. And yeah, a little bit slow off the blocks this morning, Oaks are feeling it. But sheesh, it's going to be a beautiful day. Best looking conditions on paper that we've got while we're here. And hopefully that turns out into some fish. So yeah, we're heading down here, gonna go and try and scratch for some blues and then see what else we can do while we're out there. So the first 2 days we've got some fish, nothing too wild, but yeah, definitely got some action. Unfortunately missed some of it on the GoPro due to battery problems and so on, but yeah, morning has been a bit of a sketchy start, but luckily Colin, the blacktail king, got in 2 nice blacktails here to add to our rest of our fish for our fry. After scorn, big fish. Yes, Jerry! Big fish, bro. Big fish.
Big fish.
That's on the cracker bait.
Cracker.
It's a monster, bud.
That thing floored me, did you see that?
I wasn't watching, bro. Yes, Jerry. That's while I'm mucking around there after my crap pot.
Nice fish, fish.
Oh, flipping, I hope you landed, bro.
It took like a 30-meter run.
Hope you landed.
Get my leader.
Oh, it's a nice silver, bro. It's a goon silver. Goon! Yo, it's a nice silver. Yes, a spot. Lovely fish. Beauty. Stunning. Come hold it here quick. Hold it here quick. Yes, please. Yes, Jeff is on. He's cranking it. He's cranking it. Crank it, Jeff. Blacktail. Look at that top rocker. Blacktail. Blacktailer. Hey, not a bad one, not a bad one. Alright guys, come to the end of our Nqabara trip, all packed, ready to go. Got a few fish, ate well, enjoyed some good company, lots of beers, and yeah, that's at the end of the day what it's all about.
Oh no, you're just standing in front of me and Corey. Yeah. Get in the back. Yeah, people. Oh, sorry.
By the way, it's making a video, so
Well, good.
we're just gonna get
see what a football you are.
we're just gonna get a might be a little shallow, yeah, Chavs, might be a little
Yay!
Nqabara.